2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, sunroof package, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, convenience package, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.